Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is Advanced Features of Word. So in today's chapter, first we will discuss about the topic find and replace. So what do you mean by find and replace? The find feature of MS Word helps to search a specific word or text within a document. There will be times when you may need to replace a word or sentence in a document. The replace feature is used in such a situation. Now first we will learn about the finding text. To search for a particular text in your document, first you have to click on the Home tab. In the Home tab, you have to click on the Find button in the Editing group. So we'll click on the Find button and you can see the Find and Replace dialog box will appear. In our latest Microsoft Word 2016, the navigation pane appears on the left side of the document. So there is a new feature, that is navigation pane in MS Word 2016. Now over here we will type the word which we want to search in our document. Now simply I will type over here stop. So we are going to search the word stop over here. Now we will click on the find option over here. So you will click on the find and you can see the options are being searched in our document. So you can see if the search word appears multiple times, then it is quite easy to jump directly to the exact location of the result. So to do so, click on that particular result. The selected instance get highlighted. You can see. Again I will show you how we can do it. Click on the find next option and you can see the find and replace dialog box will show us all the related, and at the end it will show the word has finished searching the document. So in this manner you can search the whole of a document to search for a single or a specific word or text. Now coming to the replacing of text. To find and replace a word, again you have to click on the replace button present in the editing group. So click on the replace dialog box and you will see the dialog box will appear. So first you have to type the word or text in the find what box that you want to search in order to replace. Now in the replace with box, enter the word or text that you want to replace it. So I am going to replace it with wait and click on the find next option. So I'll click on the find next and you will see the first entry of the word or the text get highlighted. Now click on the find next and try to jump to the next occurrence of the defined text. Now simply click on the replace button where you want to replace. Now you can see over here the word stop have been replaced by the word wait over here. Now if you want to click on replace all button, what will it do? It will replace the word at every occurrence in the document. Now simply I'll click on the replace all button and you will see the whole of my document have been changed and has made two replacements. So you click on OK button and you will see we have already replaced the stop word with the wait. So in this manner you can replace your text in the document. Now coming to the second option, that is spelling and grammar. Sometimes you may commit spelling or grammatical errors while typing a document. So this tool in MS Word check for such errors and suggest correct spellings or grammar. The spelling error in a document is indicated by a red wavy underline, while the contextual or grammatical error is indicated by a blue wavy underline. Now come, let us check for some grammatical errors in our document. Now, to find any grammatical error, first you have to place the cursor at the position where you want to begin the grammar check. On the review tab, click on the spelling and grammar button present in the proofing group. You can see the entire sentence gets highlighted. The grammar task panel appears on the side of the window. Now you can see the grammatical errors get highlighted and a possible solution is suggested in the box. So we have a suggestion over here, does. Now click on the change option and you will see the selected correction will be reflected in the document area. So click on OK and you will see the change appears in our document. If you want to ignore or if you do not want to correct the error, you will simply click on the ignore button. So we have an ignore button over there. You can click on it. So this was the one method through which you can check the spelling and grammatical errors. There is a method too in which you can check for the spelling and grammar mistakes. Now simply right click on the blue wavy underline word and you will see a pop-up menu will appear on your screen. The pop-up list suggested grammatical solutions. So we have over here the correct option, that is does. So the error is rectified. So I'll click on this. You can see the error is rectified. If you want to ignore it, you can click on the ignore once option in the pop-up list. So again I will show you the ignore once option. I'll right click on the option and you can see there is an ignore once option present in the pop-up. Click on ignore once and we can ignore the spelling error. So the spelling task panel appears in the same way as the grammar task panel. So ignore all button, ignore the suggested solutions. Change all button applies change throughout the document, and add button lets you add the misspelled word to the inbuilt dictionary. You can press F7 keyboard shortcut to check grammar and spelling. Now next coming to the thesaurus. The thesaurus is a dictionary that provides the synonyms for the selected word. Synonyms are the word with similar meaning. For example, the synonym of short are small, little and so on. To use the thesaurus tool, select the word which you wish to look up. So I will click on this tired word present in my document, and on the review tab you can click on the thesaurus option that is present in the proofing group. You can see the task panel appears on the right side of the window. It displays a list of synonyms for the selected word. To replace the word with suitable synonym, first place the pointer over the desired word. So I'm going to click on this worn out. So I'll click on this desired word. It gets highlighted and click on the drop down arrow present over here and select the insert option. So you can click on the insert option in the list. Now as soon as you click on it, you can see the word is replaced by the new one. So note, the copy option is used when you wish to copy and paste the selected synonyms in the document. So you can either click on copy, or if you want to directly insert the word, you can directly insert it to your document. You can also look for synonyms of a word by right clicking on it and selecting the synonym option in the context menu. So simply you have to right click it and you can see there is a synonym option present in the context menu. So to replace the word with one of its synonyms, select the desired choice from the further list. So you can select any from the list. So in this manner, students, you can provide any synonyms for the selected word. So in this manner, you can do spelling and grammatical review of your document. You can find and replace any text in your document. So thank you students.